In this video, I'm going to show you how to add different comedy sounds to your video to make your video more engaging and more interesting, so that we make your video not boring and it will increase the views of your videos. So join me in this session. So before we dive into this session, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also help me to share this video so that others will get to see this video. So to add the comedy sound effects to your videos, the first thing you need to do is go to your Google Play Store, then type comedy sound effects app. So different comedy sound effects will pump up. So we're going to use this one, comedy sound effects. So you download it to your phone. So I've already downloaded it to my phone, so I'm going to open it. So you can see.
I don't want peace.
So you just download anyone you want to use for this sound. Then so if you want to download this one, I just click on download, then you download it to your phone gallery. So you can download as many as you want to use. We have different type. So the next thing you need to do is, after you have downloaded those comedy sound effects, so you come to your CapCut app, you open your CapCut app, then you click on new project. So you go and import that video that you want to add the comedy sound effects. So for example, maybe this is the video that I want to add the comedy sound effect to. So I will scroll to that particular point where I want to add the effect to, the timeline on that particular point I want to add the effect to. So once I scroll to that particular point, then I will click on audio, then I'll click on sound, then I'll click on this second one. Don't use the first one. Then I'll click on from divorce. So I will hold on for it to load. Then I'll go and search those sounds that I've downloaded to my phone, those comedy sounds that I download to my phone. You can also change their name so that it will be easier for you to identify them.
Don't want peace.
So click on the plus sign to add the sound to your video. So if you play the video now to that particular point, the effect will sound. So you can go to another point again that you want to add the sound to, and repeat the same process. So this is how to add comedy sound to your video to make your video more interesting and more engaging. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this page so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get a notification.